Welcome to the W. I'm Ryan Ordonez. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Ryze Tech Tello Quadcopter drone. As you can see, the drone is no bigger than the size of my hand and is very easy to carry around and handle. If you look closely, there's a high-quality camera that can shoot HD videos and take high-quality pictures. All can be captured right from your phone or tablet. Putting the battery in the drone is easy too, as you just slide it in and you are ready to go. Aside from the drone in the packaging, you also get other things to help you manage your drone, such as this battery charging port that lets you charge your batteries from anywhere. Next, there's a cleaning rag to help you clean the propellers and the drone in case it gets dirty. And lastly, some extra propellers in case your propellers on the drone break. If you're ever in the market for an affordable, durable, and fun drone, the Tello drone would be a perfect choice. Back to you in the studio.